In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete or deactivate your ChatGPT account, simple and easy. So if you try doing it on a mobile app, it's not going to work. Some of them is not going to work. So I'm going to recommend using the website version or the web version. So you just open the web version, log into your account, and then you tap on your profile here. Good. But the procedure is the same on your mobile phone too. You tap on the hamburger menu, tap on your profile, and you move to your settings. On your settings, you are just going to scroll to the bottom. Good. So when you hop on here, what you are going to do is you tap on your account here for PC. If you're on a mobile phone, you move to data controls. Good. So you can see on a PC, the data control entails deleting chats, archiving chat, and the rest. But then on a PC, you tap on this here to your account, and then you can see delete. So when you tap on delete here, you then proceed to delete your account. You get it? So are you sure? When I tap on that and I proceed to delete everything, and I'm going to delete everything in this account, which I don't want to. So on a mobile phone too, if yours is going to work, you move to data controls. You should see delete account there. Tap on delete and confirm to delete it. And you are good to go. So that's it on how you deactivate or delete your ChatGPT account for mobile and PC. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.